Hey everyone, Windows 11 has privacy settings that quietly control how much information your computer shares. Today, I'll show you 7 settings to review and change, step by step. We're not turning off Windows Defender or security updates. We're simply limiting personalization, optional diagnostic data, activity history, and unnecessary app access. It's your computer, not theirs. Let's jump right in. Open Settings, select Privacy and Security, and choose General. First, turn off. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. This won't remove every advertisement. It simply stops Windows from using this advertising ID to make ads more personalized. Next, turn off. Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Websites can use your language preferences to customize what you see. If you prefer to share less information, switch this off. Now turn off. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Windows uses this information to improve recommendations and search results. But if you don't need personalized recommendations, there's no strong reason to leave it enabled. Finally, turn off. Show me suggested content in the Settings app. This removes some tips, recommendations, and promotional suggestions inside Settings. That takes care of 4 quick privacy changes. But the next section controls optional diagnostic information. So let's check that now. Go back to Privacy and Security and open Diagnostics and Feedback. Windows requires some diagnostic information for basic operation, and you may not be able to disable all of it, but you can turn off optional diagnostic data. If these options appear, review and disable improve inking and typing and tailored experiences if you don't want Windows using extra information for personalization and recommendations. This does not mean Windows is a virus, and it does not mean someone is automatically watching everything you do. It simply limits the extra information shared for product improvement and personalized experiences. You can also select Delete Diagnostic Data to remove diagnostic information currently stored for your device. Which setting have you changed so far? Leave a comment with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Now, open Activity History. If you see Store My Activity History on this device, turn it off. Then select Clear History. Think of activity history like a notebook that records parts of what you do on your computer. You may find it convenient, but many users don't need Windows storing this information. If this option is missing on your computer, don't worry. Microsoft changes these menus between Windows versions. Just move on to the next setting. This is one of the most important sections. Under App Permissions, review location, camera, and microphone. Open each category and check which apps have access. If a weather app needs your location, that may make sense, but a calculator probably does not need your microphone. Also, look for apps you no longer use or don't recognize. Don't disable every permission automatically. Apps like Zoom or Teams may need access to your camera and microphone. The goal is simple. Give each app only the access it actually needs. Think of your computer like your house. You don't give every visitor a key to every room. The same idea applies to app permissions. And that's it. You've reduced unnecessary personalization, limited optional diagnostic data, cleared activity history, and reviewed which apps can access your location, camera, and microphone. Your computer is not completely private now, but you have much more control over what Windows and your apps can access. Let me know in the comments, which setting did you change first? If this video helped you out, give us a like and subscribe for more quick privacy and security tips. And before you go, watch my next video. Delete these 5 browser extensions now. They're spying on you. Some browser extensions can access more information than you realize. In that video, I'll show you which extensions to remove and how to check your own browser. Click that video on screen, and let's keep your personal information where it belongs.